Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we're diving into a question that many of you have been asking. How to delete your Facebook account on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and go to facebook.com. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, click on the down arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on your Facebook information. Now, click on Deactivation and Deletion. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Read through the information carefully, and then click on Delete Account. You'll need to enter your password and complete a security check to confirm your identity. Facebook will then inform you that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Do not log into your account for the next 30 days, as doing so will cancel the deletion request. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.